The end of hotel quarantine, at least for the time being, yes, because there are 7 countries currently on the red list, but we're expecting confirmation in the next hour or so that they will be taken off the list. Doesn't mean the system is going to be scrapped. The government is insisting, but for now, these countries, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Panama, the Dominican Republic, Haiti and Venezuela are going to be removed from the list. In another move, vaccines from at least a dozen more countries are going to be recognised. We're expecting confirmation from Grant Shapps, the Transport Secretary. Now, since February this year, around about 200,000 people have had to endure hotel quarantine for 10 days after coming back from red list countries at a cost of £2,285 for adults, lower rates for children. Anyone who broke those quarantine rules could see a penalty of up to a fine of up to £10,000. I've got some up-to-date figures here. Last month, in September, the number of people in quarantine at home was over 400,000, 410,000. And the number of people in quarantine in a hotel in September was about 4,500, 4,466. So that makes a total of 415,000. That was mid-September, the 16th to the 22nd. Then the week after that, the number of people quarantining at home was roughly the same, about 409,000. The number starting quarantine in a hotel went down slightly to 3,133. So not much difference there. So around about 412 to 414,000 quarantining altogether, 4,500 one week, 3,000 another week. But those total figures again, since the quarantine system was launched on the 15th of February up to the end of September, the number of people starting quarantine has been a massive, those at home, over 5 million, 5,025,111. And the number of people in quarantining in a hotel, with that massive cost of over £2,200 for adults, 203,360. So the good news is no more hotel quarantine for now. Those countries are coming off the list, but we should stress, if things take a turn for the worst, the red list rules could come back and hotel quarantine could come back. But for today, it is good news. 7 countries coming off the red list.